We'll guide you through how to automate emails with Zapier, making your workflow more efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Sign into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Look for the Create Zap button, usually located at the top of the page, and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can start setting up your automation, commonly known as a Zap. You'll need to choose a trigger, which is the event that starts your Zap. For email automation, you might want to select an app like Gmail or any other email service you use. Click on it, and follow the prompts to connect your email account to Zapier. This usually involves logging in and granting Zapier access to your email. After setting up the trigger, you'll need to choose an action, which is what you want to happen when the trigger occurs. For sending an email, you can select Send Email as the action. Follow the instructions to set up the email details, including the recipient, subject, and body. Zapier allows you to use dynamic fields, which means you can pull information from the trigger event into your email. This is super handy for personalizing emails automatically. Once you've configured both the trigger and action, you can test the Zap to make sure it works as expected. Zapier will provide feedback if there are any issues, so you can troubleshoot accordingly. When everything looks good, turn on your Zap by clicking the switch at the top of the page. Your email automation is now live, and Zapier will handle it for you based on the conditions you've set. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.